Sorry, you're harming me. Ow! Ow! It hurts! Stop harming me. والله poison is so سنين عاود وعند مني وين
عاد اسكري قاعدة يا كدلنا.
Not your concern.
But my neighbor.
That's fine.
I know. Help me, kid.
But
I'm
they're
not
not
here.
your concern. Somebody called us here and we're responding to a call.
Police will I cover. Why can't we go? I cover my own son.
وريا هاي راح نحاول أسا بوليس.
What's going on? I'm trying to.
I'm not the father of law enforcement.
No, you're not.
Stop. Okay. Relax.
Go back. I want you to be able to bend in the right spot so you're secure.
وريا هاي لا دوالك قحسنا يا حوالتنا. هاي لا ما داونا القحسنا.
waa muuqaal argagax iyo naxdin leh hooyada Soomaaliyeed dhulka ay ku jiidayaan boolisku kadib markii cunugeedu uu dacweeyay haddaba mar qura ayaa waxa ku baraarugay dariskeeda waxayna ka soo duubeen muuqaal booliska oo hooyada guriga kala baxaya dhulka ay ku jiidayaan haddaba daawadayaal waxaan kula wadaagi doonaa muuqaal argagax leh hooyadan laga duubay si aynu u caawino una gaarsiino ummadda Soomaaliyeed ayna u garab istaagaan fadlan muuqaalka la garay si uu baaho sidoo kale nagu soo biro kamidna asxaabteena si aad u heshid muuqaalada maalinlaha halkan aynu soo gelino haddaba daawadayaal muuqaalkani waa muuqaal argagax leh hooyadan Soomaaliyeed oo qayladeedu ay kor u yeerayso ayaa mar qura waxa ku baraarugay dariskeeda kadib markii ay boolisku ku soo weerareen guriga sida ay hooyadu sheegayso waxa ay dhahday cunugeyga ayaa dacweeyay waxayna kadib boolisku u duubeen gardaduub iyaga oo qaadanaya dhulka ayna ku jeedayaan muuqaalkan ay darisku ka duubeen xilligii ay socotay xaaladdu bal haddaba aynu isla daawano muuqaalkaasi
No, she's not my witness.
What's the problem? Listen, you can do what you want. You can record. Just do it from a safe distance. She's being recorded. We understand why we're here. You do not need to know at this time because it's not your concern.
But my neighbor.
That's fine.
I know. Help me, kid.
But they're not your concern. Somebody called us here and we're responding to a call.
Police will I cover him. Why can't we go? I cover him. My own son.
وريا هاي راح نحاول أسا بوليس.
What's going on? I'm trying to.
Do you want me to tell you what's going on?
I know they just came out with guns, lying. Probably they're freaking interrogating my son in there, lying so he can lie. لا هذا حبسي بيجي له روان.
حبس مع أليس. دج حبس مع أليس.
They've been doing this too much.
Okay, so why did your son? I'm not the father of law enforcement.
No, you're not.
Stop. Okay. Relax.
Go back. I want you to be able to bend in the right spot so you're secure.
والله poison is so سنين عاود وعند مني وين
عاد اسكري قاعدة يا كدلنا.
you don't want people
Sam, let's stop. Okay. Relax. Let's relax so we can talk to you. Okay. You got your phone. We're not spitting on you.
ما يخبصنا يا محاوى دوبن كراية.
Don't be coming in my mouth like that. Have some respect, please. I don't want
Our
to
masks are
Excuse me? Oh, just tell me to
We're
move.
moving you up.
just
We're
grab
trying to
the
help
sheet.
you.
You're not cooperating at the moment.
Just tell me to move. Oh, I
You did about 3 times.
You did it. You can do
I didn't hear you telling her move 3 times, sir.
I know. Go on up. It's just it.
I'm recording right here everything you say. You didn't say 3 times.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's not okay. I can talk. It's a free country like
I
you
didn't say
say.
you couldn't.
Then don't talk to me.
Keep that recording for me so I can take it to my lawyer.
Yes, please.
I'm recording so you guys don't shoot her by accident. اسكا امس واحدة انت مخلاها من ربانة. They just want to get paid for just doing this little thing.
What interpreter would you like? Somali. Somali. Okay.
Oh my God.
What hospital
Where
would
are
you
you
like to go to?
Remember the one taking me from my home. So take me to the
Well, I don't want to know.
You can do
No,
that.
I can my telephone gave away. Can I have my phone?
I know. I saw
Yeah, we got it.
والله بالله أنا أذكر أنت أذكر.
Okay.
الكورة أصفر باكل أفرح أفرح أنا أوبن my door أفرح كورة.
Might as well. We got a little bit more space up here. So.
أصابه
I'm
عن.
gonna leave you
أحسن واحد باكل وأمدي أنا كفر وكفرة.
هذا
No,
هو.
we're gonna take the handcuffs off, okay?
بعطينا محلنا درسك سوي دي درسك.
Where's the Bruce? I'm from Africa. We've been wealthy more than them before they robbed us and harmed the children. You know.
عاد اسكري هذا كأمس يا
land called Somalia. Every
Ka
time
aamus.
I've been bombed by Americans, you hear me? Instead of being treated like this, it's sad. It's so sad. It's so sad.
Sir, you're harming me.
We're
Ow! Ow! It hurts!
Quit moving.
Stop harming
We're
me.
taking your handcuffs off.
We're putting you in this
But
restraint.
he hurt me. Okay, stop.
Nobody's
Just let me put the
harming
hand
you.
there.
Stop. Okay, nobody's doing
قال انا
anything.
عداني يقول قال انا وايد سبرسي
Allah ho gayo boy tole man. I wear my African race.
هو علي
اي
فيري حاجة ما كانوا قوي درسك ويدير
معودينا
درسك ويدير لأنه درس بقى عرّان
But I think in Africa was like Jamaica, I do the swing, can we live there now? They don't have to abuse us no more, separate our families and rape our children, rape us no more. I'm tiresome that, but we can still get our justice through God by praying from 6 feet under. Ancestors will help us. I will follow you in my soul. You harm my child and harm me, abuse every job
markasta waxay ku xirxireen waxay dhahoyn mental issues haysataa. What mental issues?
امر وابتك يا استاذ
She's normal. She's just talking.
Have a good night.
فكر كده وش شيء بنتو ها ابا لك الله الله ده هو اذا واحد بس فمك واحد كده
aniga hadduu naagu wac booliiska war.
So what is going on? Where am I going?
Your son say you had a knife today.
Who did he call you?
Yes, obviously we're here for a reason because your son called us.
No, I was cooking, so he had my phone. He took my phone from me. So I'm standing over there, like I didn't go with my knife to harm him. I was in the kitchen trying to eat something.
Okay.
So I walked. He's like, "Oh, don't come over here." And I said, "I'm not coming for you in the knife. If I wanted to harm him with the knife, I would have came out with the knife. I did. I put the knife kitchen. I went back to the door stand. There was nothing. Knocking,
Sure.
knocking.
So Samson, that's why we're here today because he was scared and he called us. So we're just here to make sure he's
If he's
okay.
scared, he'll be scared of this man, the white man, than me. I'm his mother. I carried him 6 months. I'm the one who's scared of them. I'm not scared of you. I'm scared of them. They harmed my child and left them in pain for 10 hours.
He called us here. He didn't call you. We're here to make sure your son's okay. Okay.
My son
That's
is
why we're
fine.
here.
You need to get this shit off. You can't lie about me and charge me.
And based on the information
Just
we had, that's why you're being detained.
so that way we can send that to my friends and families.
Can I say something?
Yeah, what's up?
She's not really harmful.
they wanna make me
Earlier
look
he
bad.
was beating like he was pushing her. That's
I
why
know,
we
get
all
out.
feel-
Don't put him in trouble. Nothing. He didn't push me. That's my son. There's nothing going on.
Well,
sir.
she doesn't
It's a
want me
little
to say
argument. You
anything.
need to
I
go
wanted
away,
to
man.
call the police,
I-
but she said she didn't want to, and now he's calling the police on his mom when she didn't want to call the
All
police.
right, we're looking into it. We're going to talk to everyone involved.
No, I think I think they're giving him
I think
drugs
we
down here.
can't
No, but he's going with other races that do drugs
No.
that don't know culture and tradition.
the one
that
who
want
called
to
the
harm and
police
give
on
us
you.
Drugs and harm us.
Well, why he
I don't
hurt
want
you?
the friends he's with.
Maxaa protect garanaysa?
I want to get it because a white man harmed him, and they're looking for big, black, sizable. You remember George Floyd who didn't pay? What the white
It's
man
okay,
said he
just
was
runta u
sizable.
sheeg
Oh, we're
booliiska.
scared of them.
runta u sheeg booliiska waxaa really dhacay wax xun ma ku samaynayaan because haddii la dhihin xir ma iska xiri karo.
قاعد dadkaan anigoo jikada ku jiro ninkaan igu xiran قاعد abaa ugu dira ka waran.
Adaa isku keentay. Whose fault is that? That's you. You need to do something about that.
We're taking him to our homeland, Africa, because we need guidance, not abused and enslaved, modern day slavery.
Well, miska kaxeen ka daadan booliiska
We're
agtiisa asaas ku
leaving
dhexday.
next week. We're leaving their land. We're getting family. We're leaving your land. Please, we're having family argument. Let us go. If you don't, I don't want no problem with you.
Well, the problem becomes when you grab a knife and
I was cooking, so you know how you talk. Like no. I'm sitting. Okay. You know. Okay, when you talk and you're in the kitchen, he took my phone.
hitting the door.
Okay,
with
my
the
son
knife.
took my phone, sir. Okay, I just don't go. I was cooking. I was trying to eat. I was cleaning or something in the kitchen. I said, "God, give me my key, my phone, and my car key because I'm trying to stop him from going to a school where he made bad friends. He comes home late, and I don't trust it. So it's the argument of you can't go, and he's trying to oppress my authority, and he's bigger than me. He pushes me, so it's hard for me to get that, so." Right now, nothing happened. I was in the kitchen. He has my phone. We play around sometimes. He keeps my phone. So while I was in the kitchen carrying utensils, I went to Kali, give me my phone. I said, "Don't come over here with that knife." And I left. I didn't have a knife on him. Why would I harm my child with a knife?
I didn't say you harmed him.
Why would I even have anybody with a knife?
You just said you had a knife.
Because he said I would call the cops, and if you don't leave my door. I told him I'll call the cops, so he probably did it to me. I came out, he locked me. I went knocking on my friends. You hear me? My son is going through it, sir. We're both stressed and scared of racism out here. It's been happening to us a lot. Even my child, a white man harmed him after he raped me and raped my child and the 1-year-old. So, sir, we're leaving your land, going to Jamaica, to our African land. So please take your stuff, let me go home so we can call our family. They can come in between us and work our issues as a family.
I think Atlanta is our best choice tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you diagnosed with anything by chance?
No, I'm not going nowhere, so you're not always gonna come here and take me to jail. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it. You're trying to take me somewhere.
We're not taking you to jail.
We just want to make sure you're okay. Your behavior is very unusual and erratic right now.
Sir, I'm going through, I don't have no job. I have a teenage black kid. I'm trying to leave out of here, not to be killed or harmed by any racist person. I'm done giving it, I'm going home. And we only have a week or less to go because we got help for our families. And they say we can get you out of there. Now, please don't do this on our last minute leaving your land.
And like I told you, we're here for a reason because your son called us. We're worried about
My son,
you and him, okay?
we are
We're trying to make
fine.
sure everyone's okay.
Sir, we are fine. Thank you for your concern. It's a lot, it's stressful. We get attacked. Today I got attacked in this hallway by teenage white kids. He has problems getting attacked. Oh, this neighbor, the white lady, attacked. It's too much, too much. And when I tell my son, don't go out there, don't speak to these people, he says, he goes gone. It was today's argument. He met a girlfriend, you know, this little girlfriend. So he's not listening to me. He's having a hard time of differentiating the mom love and the girlfriend. So everything he wants to do for the girlfriend. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Teenage. But anyways, I got family and friends that can help me in that issue, sir. You didn't have to come here. I would have to talk to him and have my family speak to him and make him understand you don't call police lightly like that.
Well, I don't think he did call us lightly. I think he didn't want to, but your behavior concerned him enough that he thought he needed to.
No. My son is really mad right now and he's doing things.
He was very calm in there.
Huh?
He's very calm in there.
And he was talking to me through the door. He's very calm in the where?
In the apartment. I just was in there talking to him. He's very calm. He's not the one that has a problem tonight. But he said when you're threatening him with a knife.
I never threatened my son. You, white man, harmed my child. Your race, he was break his leg. I did harm my child. Don't accuse me. I'll never hurt.
I didn't say you hurt
This
him.
this is so tight, sir. Can you please? I think it's harming my arm right now.
Handcuffs are gonna stay on.
No, they do, but it's really tight. He made it really tight. I can't squeeze my hand.
Okay, we can check the
Okay,
tightness of the cuffs, but we're not taking them off.
Can you loosen it up?
She's not gonna attack anyone. You're standing right there.
I attack my child, sir.
Stand up.
Hold on.
Come on. Face the wall. I'll listen to him in just a tad bit here, but
About Kawana. Why am I on a handicap? Why
yeah,
don't
quit
you
moving
take it
around.
out?
So
This is crazy.
ما حد عاد أنا.
No, I buy a girlfriend to telephone. I'm calling the family. He doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go out of the country. And
saas hadhiin dadkaana way ku maqlaan saas ma la ogola xoog qof ma ku kaxeen kartida.
to leave every job they're kicking us out. You gotta have a principal and stand them, and they don't want you to leave their land. Say bye bye. So you the right thing. Do what you want us to do. Leave your land. You're not gonna keep this thing like this. Call it. Carlo.
are you gonna have a seat again?
Abay, how you get taken? Abay, had to move all the. That's my cousin. Can she go talk to him?
Who?
That lady. Abay, Ushak, Benton, and Ben
You
Ushak.
just said this was your neighbor. Why
My
did you-
neighbor, my cousin, she's Somali. I'm Somali. She's my cousin.
Well, that's fine, but like.
She's my distance cousin. We're
Okay.
families.
We are tight neighbors, okay? We are neighbors, so what do you
Okay,
mean?
well, I guess we're all related at some point. in
No,
history.
that's my cousin.
Okay.
Because we're black, honey.
But no, she's not involved right now, so she's not becoming involved.
She needs to go
she's-
come myself. Abayo.
She's
No
welcome.
record
She's
delay. You
welcome
think
to
the
stay over
justice
there.
is only for you?
She's welcome to.
Well,
observe.
ask him if he wants to talk to me. Why don't you ask him?
When we leave, you're more than welcome to talk to him.
Where are you going? Where are you taking me?
I'm not taking you anywhere.
What is it? What do you mean you're not taking me anywhere? Cut it.
She was.
وريا هويلا ولا قحسنو يا حولاتي هويلا ما داونا القحسنو
أبغى أسأل بفرموجي ذو.
Yeah, sounds like she's we've been here before and she's.
I was gonna say, I've been here for her before.
ما حاجر محاوي وحاس.
قاعد حتى كان يقول حرايا ambulance استلقى اللي يقول حرايا.
Is she sick? What's going on?
I'm not. Where am I?
What is that for?
She's going to the hospital.
For what?
That's what's
Mental
happening.
health.
They'll explain it to you.
Mental health?
Because you don't like me,
Yes.
so.
It's okay. Your first name's Sam, right?
Ma'am, I need a lawyer. I'm not going with. Oh, can we have a black person? I need a black dog. I need a black cop.
Let's stop, okay?
No, I need somebody my skin tone. I don't feel safe with you. Goodbye, we'll take you. Sir, I don't feel safe with you. I need a black cop to help me. I can't talk to you. I don't trust you. I don't. Oh, no.
I'm not an officer. He's not an officer. If they step away and we have a conversation, just.
Are you gonna tie me in the bed and do what?
I didn't say anything about.
So why
tying
is that
to the
bed here?
Because you were here. I was not here for the initial call, but it sounds like there is concerns about your safety, your son's safety.
My son and I be safe. We lived here 10 years. It's a little argument that happened, and accident people can.
haddaba daawadayaal in badan waxaa qurbaha ku soo badatay haddii ay noqon lahayd Ameerika iyo Yurub caruurta Soomaaliyeed ee dacweynaya waalidiintooda haddaba arrintan ayaa waxa keenayso in caruurta loo sheego markay iskuulada tagaan in la siin doono xorriyad iyo sidoo kale nolol aad u heer sareysa haddii ay familkooda dib ku qabaan ama haddii waxyaabaha qaar loo diidayo haddaba waxaan leeyahay waalidiinta waa inaad saaxiib la noqotaan caruurtiina waa inaad u ogolaataan waxyaabaha caruurtu ku dareemayaan nafiska idinkoo aan cadaadis fara badan saarin iskuna day inaad saaxiib la noqotaan wixii aad u aragtaan inay qaldan yihiin si tartiib ugu sheega oo cunuga saaxiib la noqotaan ayaa caafimaadku ku jira iyo sidoo kale inaad cunugaaga si haysato oo aad nolol qurux badan ku wada noolaataan haddaba waxaan leeyahay hooyadan cidii bar aqoontay halka ay sheekadan ka dhacday si waadax looma yaqaano ma Ameerika ma Yurubba fadlan qofkii yaqaano hana la wadaago informationkeeda si hooyadan aynu u caawino xogteedana aynu u gaarsiino dadka Soomaaliyeed ee meesha lagu dhibaateeyo kula nool mahadsantiin si aad u daawateen muuqaalkeena inta warbixinteeda kala kulmayno sida ay nabadgelyo mahadsanidin